Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds in a pairing mode. We'll know that they're in pairing mode when the light here is blinking 3 different colors: green, blue, red, green, blue, red. Okay, so the buds are in a case. I open the lid up, and I'm not getting a green, blue, red, green, blue, red. Okay, mine was a solid green and it just turned off. So let me manually put this into pairing mode myself. There's a button here on the back. I'm going to press and hold for 5 seconds or wait until it starts blinking those 3 colors. Okay, ready, go. Press and hold. Keep holding, wait. Wait, there we go. Green, red, blue. Now let go of that button. Leave it just like this. Now shoot over to your Samsung TV and you want to go directly to your settings. You can click on the settings button in your remote. If not, you can navigate to go to the home page here, and then on this Samsung TV model, settings is right there. Let me select that. Now I'm going to select on all settings. Now I'm going to go down 1 to sound. I'm going to select that. Now sound out has currently come out of my TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these. So let's select sound out, sound output. Now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. Let's select that. Now that little spinning thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is like 30 feet or so Bluetooth range. I have a bunch of other earphones and headphones paired to this TV here, but let me just keep scrolling down and see if it finds it. Oh, there it is. Galaxy Buds 4 Pro needs pairing. Highlight it, select pair and connect. Oh, and it's connected. So it's connected there as well. And if I stroll all the way up, you can see the other ones I have are just paired. But these Samsung Galaxy Buds are connected. So pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.